Hey there, thanks for stopping by today. I wanted to share with you what I made using the Poolside paper kit by Fancy Pants Designs. It came with 24 sheets of paper. It came with these cute little paper clips, a package full of embellishments, die cut embellishments, and puffy stickers. This was the only thing I used that was in my own stash, my own letter stickers. So I'm all about using everything to make something, to make more than one thing. So I wanted to share first this really cute scrapbook made out of paper bags, and this is a pool party themed album that is for the grown-ups. It's a little bit hip, it's a little bit, you know what it reminds me of? Kind of like a New York type thing, old-fashioned New York album. And there's plenty of pictures, plenty of spaces for you to add your pictures. And it's not too childish. It's very happy, very pool related. And again, all these die cuts and the papers came with the paper kit. These black ones, these black cutouts for the photo mats are from my stash. Here's one of the puffy stickers. Ooh, I didn't share that with you. I don't know if you saw those. And all these little extras are also in the kit. And I made a matching pool party tag using the leftovers of the die cuts. Again, here's where I used my stickers. That was the only part. So this is package number 1. Here is the second album I made. This is a swim party paper bag album, another mini scrapbook, and this is for the kids. As you can see, and here's where I used my own stickers to add the party word. Everything else is from this kit except for the photo mats. This is all cardstock all us scrapbookers should have at home. Again, very childish, very childlike, very kid-friendly, happy, not so serious like the other one, not as hip, but still really cute. The papers in this kit and the embellishments go really well together. This is my favorite page for some reason. The water just looks awesome. Anyways, these would make really good gifts for a hostess of a pool party, or even for yourself. If you're hosting a pool party, you can add the pictures of the kids in here. They're really easy to make. The hard part is just picking out the pictures to use. And again, with the leftovers, I made another matching tag. Again, it matches, it's the childlike theme with the swim party. And again, I'm all about using everything that you get in the kit and seeing how much you can get out of it. And I literally used all the paper to make 2 albums, and the scraps were used here on the tags, and I used a lot of the extra die cuts. But as you can see, there's still plenty more. Not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, but just an idea. If you're interested in any of these, you can go to my Shopify store at One Crafty Mess Handmade and buy them. These come together, so it's the album and the tag. And this would make a great gift again for a hostess or for someone you know. Hope you guys have a good day. Thanks.